why is everyone infatuated with true crime?
Well, I think it's partly because we're infatuated with narrative, and the fundamental narrative is good versus evil, right? It's human choice in a domain characterized by good versus evil. And so the true crime genre is a variant of that, and it concentrates on, well, both usually, because there's an evil character and then there's the good forces attempting to bring him down. And I think it's indicative of the fundamental structure of human experience, but it's also morally salutary in that to understand evil is also to understand good, at least as its opposite. And I think that evil in some sense is more believable. It's more immediate, it's more visceral, it's more undeniable, it's more short-term. And people often have direct contact with it in one form or another. And it's part of, and to be fascinated by that is to be fascinated by the moral structure of the world. And given that you need an aim in life, that you need a moral goal, that you need a noble moral goal in order to live properly, you have to distinguish between good and evil, and the easiest way to start to do that is to start to understand what constitutes evil. We're also fascinated by true crime stories because we want to identify the predator. You know, I mean, human beings are prey animals as well as predators, and the worst of all predators are human predators by a remarkably substantial margin. And so we need to understand the nature of the predatory.